Let's look at a very interesting topic, which is outer join. So let's review what we have learned about join so far. We have learned that when you are joining, you are applying a where clause. In this where clause, if the attribute from two different relations match, then we will keep it, right? If it does not match, then what we're going to happen? We're going to ignore it. That's exactly the definition of where clause. Now, in our example, we have a course joining instructor based on instructor name. When instructor have a course, that means there is an entry in the course table. When instructor, and of course, instructor should have an entry inside the instructor table too. If there is an entry in the course table, then you will find the instructor name and try to join that with the instructor in the instructor table. However, if an instructor does not have a course, it will not, there's nothing from course table to join to the instructor, and there's nothing to match on, right? Because if there's nothing in the course for that instructor, that means it's a null. And now it's a missing value, it's unknown. It's not going to give you any match. So the result is instructors with no course will be ignored. Result is the common set between the two tables. This is called inner join. When your result is the common set between the two tables, it's called inner join. And this common set is the common set of the attribute, the joining key, the join key. What if we want to see all the instructors, even for those with no course? This is also a very common requirement, right? So let's take a look at how join can be performed. I have two tables, blue and green. And as we can see, when we are trying to match with these two tables, the result of inner join is the common set where both blue and the green, both blue table and the green table has some data for that particular key, join key. What if I want to keep all the values in the blue table? In that case, if I keep all the values in the blue table, I'm going to have those common values in green table joining with what I have in the blue table. And for those does not have a matching value in green table, I'm still going to have the data in blue table, but for what is supposed to be for the columns that are coming from the green table, I will only get null. I'm not going to get anything from green table. I'm only going to get null, right? For example, if I'm joining instructor with course, and I want to keep everything in instructor table, then course name, everything from the course table, the course name, etc., tuition, whatever, will be null for that instructor because there's no course for that instructor. So everything responding to the course will be null. So this is the auto join where this part, so this is an auto join where the content, the data of one table is preserved. And if there is a join, if there is a matching value in another table, they will be joined together. If not, then the all join table will have a matching null in these values. Similarly, if I so this is called left outer join. I put the blue table in the left and the join towards the green table to the right. This is called the left outer join because left has everything and joins out. That's how I interpret it. And then if you want to keep everything in the right table, you will have the right table join to the left. The right table will go out there and join the blue table, and whatever matches from blue table will be kept. Whatever blue table cannot offer, when there's no matching columns for this green table values, you will get a null. You will get the empty value. Similarly, we also have a full outer join where both tables, the value from both tables are kept. But if the left table does not have any matching value in green table, then here, whatever is supposed to be the green table columns will be null. Similarly, if the green table values does not have any matching value in blue table, this side, which is supposed to be provided from blue table, will be null. This is called the outer join. Both tables, the value will be kept. So we have the inner join, we have the left outer join, we have the right outer join, we have full outer join. And here, left and the right is determined by the from join clause. When you write from and the left out join to followed by join, and if you write this in one line, it will be from left OJ to course, right? From instructor left OJ to course. That will be a left join from instructor to course. Now this is only determined by the from table, from course clause and the join clause. The order on the on clause doesn't matter. You can have outer join, you can have course C dot instructor name first, followed by instructor dot instructor name. Doesn't matter. The order in on condition does not matter. The only thing matters in this left or right is which table comes first when you write everything in one line, right? So since we are breaking this up into separate tables, you can also say it's a up join, up to down, right? Up to down means left join. So when you write outer join, you will just write the select and the where as what we used to write, and the from as what we used to write. Instead of join, you will set left outer join. So it will be from one table, left outer join another with a proper on clause. This outer, in left outer join, this outer is optional. So you can also write from table 1, left outer join, left join, table 2. Here, table 1 is left outer join to left 2. Similarly, well, basically here, data from left table will be preserved, right? All instructor will show up. If there's no data from right table, this instructor name will always, because we are preserving all the instructors, so we'll always have this instructor name. But for course name, which comes from the right table, if there's no corresponding course, we will have a null. Now, there are 3 types of join, and we will have a left, we have a right, we have a full. And the left join and right joins are reversible. T1 left join T2 equals to T2 right join T1. Right, so if you want to write the right join, you can write what you can write is from course C right join instructor I. It's the same because course C right join instructor I is the same as instructor I left join course C. These two are reversible. Okay.